Ron, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the ad page. Okay, so as you can see, Trust page, this is my client account. So my client told me, now you see the mobile version, here's the one gap. My client told me he don't like the gap, so he would like to add one more Trust page. Okay, so how you can add that? So first of all, you have to install the essential Trust page. And after that, guys, you will be able to come to the content. And if you don't know how to come, it's pretty simple. Okay, so from here, guys, what you should do, just you need to click at the bottom. You should go to at the bottom, and after coming to the bottom, you should click the add icon, and after that, click the okay. After coming to the content, and now you should click the select icon, and then you should charge the PayPal. Okay, PayPal. Okay, now you see nothing showing here. So previously, I faced this exact problem. You should remove the icon from here and remove, and same thing. You should remove this icon here, Apple Pay. Now Apple Pay. Okay, let's come to the Discord. Let's see what was my pay. This icon was, pay. Okay, so let's search again. Pay. Now I believe I will. Okay, pay. This is here. And now if I add icon again, now I think if I remove, now I will see all of them. Okay, so that's the issue. PayPal. Okay, so now I will be able to add the PayPal icon from here. Let's see which one will be perfect. I think this one will be better. Let's add the PayPal logo. This one good. Okay, so let's click the save option. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Okay, so now if I go to the Shopify, now if I refresh, then you will see this result. Pretty simple. Now I wouldn't have any gap. So that's exactly my client wanted to know. So guys, if you want to learn more, you should come to my agency website. This is my agency website. Like you can actually create a free website, guys. Really get a free website, give your information, and then I will do a meeting with you. After taking that, I will do a meeting with you, then we will actually work together, okay, to make your business next level. And guys, you can upgrade anytime. You can create a Shopify store using 5 product. I will make it very professional. It's free. That doesn't mean that we'll make a very generic website. It's not like that. So just if you anytime you want to improve, then you can take our paid plan, then you can grow forward. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's come to the point now. After refreshing, let's click the like that, and now you see it looks something like that. Okay, so and the mobile version, how this looks. Let's come to the mobile version. Let's check the desktop version. Okay, I should check the desktop version how this looks. So I think my client mostly focus on the mobile. In desktop it's also pretty good. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this video helpful. So there's the another icon actually showing. I will remove this. So previously actually I have installed the another apps called the conversion pair Trust page. I would like to remove this one. So to do that, first of all, I have to come to the Shopify settings, then come to the apps, and now I will say all of my apps that I have installed so far. Now after refreshing, now you will see I will delete this one because this is unnecessary for now. And if you keep the extra apps, it's not going to work. Okay, so okay guys, as you can see, if I refresh, now it will be gone because I have deleted the apps. Okay, now you see it's gone. So now my client product is pretty high converting. Okay, title and the benefit and pricing, and then also urgency, and add to cart always moving, that actually grab the customer attention. And here's the description. I will write a very good description. I will also create a video how I actually write a very good and proper description. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. So if you really like this video, subscribe, and in future guys, what type of content you're looking for, let me know into the comment box. So guys, thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.